Model: 2019 Nissan NV400 L1H1 3300 2.3dCi 130PS. Shea spares OR repairs Star-Struck MOTED. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 75,070. MOT: 15 February 2025. Engine: 2298 CCM 90 130E6. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.